If you're on social media because you have a business and your goal is to grow your business using social media, you have to remember that it is not about how many followers or subscribers you have. It is all about the connection that you have with your people. As a big dog looking in, I don't really have that many subscribers or that many followers. However, I'm still able to run a multi-million-dollar brand. How? One word: connection. I fortunately have a really deep and strong connection with my tribe and with my community. And in this episode, I want to share with you one thing that you can do, one very powerful thing that you can do to build a strong, deep connection with your community, with your following, with your subscribership, so that they think of you as their go-to person for the information that you're providing for them, and they almost think of no one else. So stay tuned. Hey there, my friend. My name is Tanya Aliza. Welcome to today's episode. I help you grow your business, grow your brand, and grow your influence online using social media. And if you're new here, consider subscribing because I put out a brand new training episode and free resource for you and your business each and every week. I've been growing my business online since 2010, and I've grown a multiple seven-figure brand and business in doing so. And each week we come out and we share new things that are working in our business so that they hopefully help your business. So today we're going to be talking about building a stronger connection with your following. This will allow you to grow a really big and profitable business with a small following, which I know it can be really encouraging for a lot of people, especially if you're just getting started online and you haven't been at it a long while. And maybe you're thinking, man, can I really build a big business with a small following? I don't have tens of thousands or hundreds of thousands of people tuning in. Can I really make a dent in revenue? And the answer is absolutely, because like I said, it's not anything to do with how many fans or subscribers you have or people tuning in. It's what you're doing with and the connection you're making with the people that are tuning in. And that is where the biggest difference is made. Now, I'll be honest, social media is a madhouse of people trying to get your attention, people trying to fight for other people's attention. So the question is, how do we stand out in this madhouse of a busy world? The answer is make a first and lasting impression with your people. And here's what you do. So when you have a new subscriber, a follower, even new likes that happen on your posts that you're doing on whatever platform that you might be using, a lot of these platforms like Instagram and Facebook, you can leave a voice message clip for them. And that is what I would suggest that you do. You reach out in a private voice clip message. And this literally takes 2 seconds of your time, and you will be surprised at how many people respond and how your engagement increases. Try this. I promise that it works. So I'll give you a little script on what you can say and what I say to make this like a personalized reach out. And this has worked in my business, and it has helped us skyrocket our followers organically, which means for free without any paid advertising, specifically on Instagram. So what I would do is if you get a new like or a new subscriber or a new follower, go over to their profile. Like if you're on Instagram, for example, go over to their profile, look at what they're posting, look at a couple of their posts, and find something that you can start the conversation with. Maybe they did a post, one of their most recent posts was something that you liked, and maybe there was a reason why you liked it. So I would pick up, you would go into your messages folder, you'd message that person, you'd go to their profile, send them a message, and send them a voice message. This will go so far. So, and it's also faster than typing, right? So I'll say, hey, what's going on? Amy, for example, if their name's Amy. Hey, what's going on, Amy? This is Tanya Aliza. I just wanted to say thank you so much for the new follow on my account. I went over to your profile and I saw that you posted XYZ. I really liked it because XYZ. And I'm just curious, is there anything that you would like to see more of from what I do here on Instagram? Let me know. I'm curious what you're into and how I can specifically serve you. Something along those lines is going to do two things for you. One, it's going to get them to go, wow, that was super cool and super nice. I feel super special. This person that I followed and admired enough to follow is actually cares enough to reach out to me and say, thank you. So what's going to happen? They're going to want to engage more with you on future stuff. You're going to stand out in their world. That's what you want to do. The other thing that it's going to do if you leave that message and ask them that question, it's going to invoke a two-way dialogue. That dialogue is also going to help you come up with content that you're going to be posting in the future. So if you ask them, hey, thanks for the follow, is there anything that you would like to see more of here on Instagram that I can post? Or what exactly are you into? How can I help? Those kinds of questions give you great content ideas. And then you can be a little lazy and you don't have to think all the time, what is this great content idea that I need to post on social? Your audience is telling you because you're asking them. Okay, I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, Tanya, but this takes time to do. And the answer is yes, it does take time. And it is very worth it in your business. Over the weeks that I have the time to do this, because now I don't have a lot of time, my following is big and it's gotten to a point where, you're pushing that snowball up the hill and then it kind of crests over the hill, but you've got to get it over the hill. But the time that I actually have, the days, the weeks that I actually have time to do this and I can hop in and just quickly message my followers, I get an 18% increase in sales when we do this. So does it take time? Yes. Is it worth it? Abso-freaking-lutely. You are now their brand that stands out in their head as their go-to person. Now when they see your other posts, they're paying attention. You are doing something that 99.999% of other influencers that are out there just looking for follows without the connections are not doing. You are standing out, and that is the goal. Now, I know you don't want to be spending all day, every day on your device and on social media. That can get a little exhausting and frustrating in your business. So here's what I've done for you. Each week, you know that I like to equip you with a free resource that you can use in your business. This week, I want to give you my social media selling guide. And what it is it's a business planner, a social media business planner on what you should be doing every day on your social media that are your money-making activities so that you don't waste time and you don't have to be on your dang device all day, every day to grow your business. If you'd like to pick up my social media selling guide, it's free. It is ready for you. I've left it on my blog over at tanyaaliza.com/247. I will leave a link for you below this video that you can click in the description area that will take you to my blog. And right underneath this video on the blog, there'll be a big yellow button that you can click and you can request access to my social media selling guide for free. Pick that up. I know along with this strategy and then knowing exactly what you need to be doing as far as your money-making activities on social media goes will save you a bunch of time, grow your following faster, but have that following that you really have a strong connection with, which leads to more sales in your business. I challenge you to insert this task into your business for the next 2 to 4 weeks and let me know how those results pan out. I promise you, you will be happy with them and your followers will have a deeper connection with you and you with them. All right, my friend, it is our champagne moment highlight time of the week. This is where I feature you, one of our valued subscribers and viewers and followers and community members. You leave me the best comments always, everywhere in our Facebook, our Instagram, on our YouTube, wherever these great comments come in. We like to take one of our members and feature you in one of our episodes that we do each week. And this comment comes in from Lisa Lickert, here on my YouTube channel. So Lisa says, never a waste of time to watch one of your videos. Always packed with helpful, practical guidance. Your energy is contagious and I can't get enough. Happy Monday and thanks for helping me start my week. Lisa, you're absolutely amazing. Thank you for sharing that with us. And I'm glad that you are getting value in our community. That is my ultimate goal, and it's great being connected, girlfriend. All right, if you did find value in today's episode, please let us know in the comment section below. Smash that share button and get this out to anybody that you think might find value in this topic as well. Give it a like, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you next week on Tanya Aliza TV.